Stop scrolling right now, because the hypercar you're about to see could completely redefine American performance. Meet the breathtaking 2027 Cadillac V16 Roadster, a futuristic machine that combines timeless Cadillac luxury with mind-blowing speed, cutting-edge technology, and an unforgettable driving experience. Finished in a stunning metallic chocolate brown exterior, this Roadster features premium cream luxury leather seats and a state-of-the-art digital luxury dashboard, making it one of the most exclusive concept cars ever imagined. The first thing you'll notice is its bold and commanding front design. A massive illuminated Cadillac grille, razor-sharp LED matrix headlights, sculpted carbon fiber hood, and aggressive aerodynamic air intakes give the V16 Roadster an unmistakable presence. Every line has been engineered to improve airflow while creating a dramatic and luxurious appearance. From the side, the long hood, low-slung body, massive chrome turbine wheels, carbon fiber side skirts, and sleek aerodynamic profile make this Roadster look like it's moving even when standing still. The metallic chocolate brown paint reflects light beautifully, giving the car an elegant yet powerful personality. At the rear, full-width LED taillights, quad chrome exhaust outlets, an active rear spoiler, and a carbon fiber diffuser complete the breathtaking design. Every detail has been created to combine luxury with extreme performance. Step inside and you'll discover one of the most luxurious cabins ever imagined. Premium cream leather seats with diamond quilting provide exceptional comfort, while heating, ventilation, massage functions, memory settings, and electric adjustment make every drive feel first class. Rich walnut wood trim, polished aluminum accents, crystal controls, and customizable ambient lighting elevate the cabin to an entirely new level. The futuristic digital luxury dashboard features a massive curved OLED display that combines the digital, instrument cluster and infotainment system into one seamless interface. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, AI voice assistant, augmented reality navigation, wireless charging, a premium surround sound system, and a full-color head-up display ensure every journey is connected and effortless. Under the hood, the 2027 Cadillac V16 Roadster is imagined with a hand-built twin-turbocharged V16 engine producing over 1,000 horsepower and approximately 950 pound-feet of torque. Power is delivered to all four wheels through an advanced performance transmission and intelligent all-wheel drive system, providing breathtaking acceleration and outstanding control. Performance figures are nothing short of extraordinary. The V16 Roadster could sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.8 seconds, complete the quarter mile in under 10 seconds, and reach an electronically limited top speed of over 220 miles per hour. Adaptive magnetic suspension, carbon ceramic brakes, rear-wheel steering, multiple drive modes, and active aerodynamics allow the car to deliver both incredible comfort and world-class handling. Safety is equally impressive with adaptive cruise control, collision avoidance, blind spot monitoring, 360-degree cameras, lane keeping assist, night vision, intelligent parking assistance, and the latest Cadillac driver assistance technologies. As an ultra-exclusive flagship, production would be extremely limited. The estimated price could start around $3.2 million, placing it among the world's most desirable hypercars alongside the Bugatti Tourbillon, Koenigsegg Jesko, Ferrari F80, McLaren W1, and Pagani Utopia. The 2027 Cadillac V16 Roadster proves that American engineering can compete with the very best in the world. Combining breathtaking luxury, incredible craftsmanship, and astonishing V16 performance, this concept represents a bold vision of Cadillac's future. Now tell us in the comments, would you choose the 2027 Cadillac V16 Roadster over the Ferrari, Lamborghini, Bugatti, McLaren, or Pagani? If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Howcar USA, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest luxury car reviews, hypercar concepts, future vehicle reveals, and automotive news. Thank you for watching Howcar USA. Stay safe, keep chasing your dream cars, and we'll see you in the next incredible automotive review.